obsession with trending fashion is undoubtedly never ending. Clothing is the second largest consumer good and fashion is the second most polluting industry. However, the novel coronavirus pandemic has increased the demand for more reliable and sustainable products. Thus, textile recycling came into the picture. Hello guys, welcome to Enterclimate, a leading environmental consultancy. My name is Diksha Kethani. As hinted, today in this video, I'll be talking about textile recycling business. So watch the complete video if you want to know about this important topic in detail. Coming back to the topic, textile recycling business is an innovation that brings a significant change in the fashion industry. It has been observed that a vast amount of used but wearable clothing goes to landfills annually. Only 12% of the clothing sold across the globe every year is recycled. This set up a massive platform for the said business to flourish. Interestingly, the remaining 88% of the textile waste is downcycled to make products such as insulation. Shockingly, around 10 million tons of textiles are trashed every year. The textile waste recycling business involves the procedure of the reuse of old fabric or material recovery from upholsteries or clothes. The product so generated is then reprocessed to get the valuable products. 90% of the used textiles are recyclable. So, what are the different kinds of textile waste? There are two types of fabric waste that are processed in textile recycling business. The types of textile waste depend upon the place of origin, that is, post-industry waste and post-consumer waste. While the former includes byproducts of home furnishing or apparel industries, the latter covered discarded waste that are no longer needed. However, post-industry waste are considered the purest because they aren't contaminated. Well, now let's talk about the textile business, what it does treats. So, the list includes shoes, clothes, pillows or cushions, tablecloths, bags, bed sheets, curtains, and so on. So now you will be more than interested in knowing general overview of textile recycling business. So this section elaborates the same. According to a report, nearly 82% of what is considered textile waste can be resold and recycled. Thus, it is evident that this can be a massive supply chain even for the brands. Many big companies are lured into investing a significant share in mechanical and hydrothermal textile recycling business. The fabric waste recycling market worldwide grew at a CAGR of 19% during 2014 to 2019. So now let us talk about the types of textile recycling business. The textile recycling business can range from chemical to mechanical to garment recycling. All three businesses are explained in the next section of the video. The mechanical textile recycling business is the most preferred and easiest option to choose. It is the business that involves minimal R&D. Besides, choosing the suitable machine based on the requirements ensure profitable recycling. The shoddy fibers from the textile waste processing can be used to make rags, yarns, carpets, filling materials, insulating materials, etc. Garment upcycling or recycling business. The garment upscaling recycling business converts the waste fabric into valuable products such as fashion accessories, apparels, home decor, etc. This is done via redesigning and reconstructing. An essential aspect of this textile recycling business is that it can be quickly done. Furthermore, the business requires minimal investment and setup, but a skilled workforce is an inevitable aspect of establishing this business. Chemical textile recycling business. The chemical textile recycling business requires knowledge of textile chemistry and materials. The business involves transforming the fiber to a new without downgrading the recycled product. This is done using a chemical process that extracts and differentiates fibers from the blends. The business involves partnerships and massive investments from big academic institutions and apparel companies, etc. It further demands proper R&D. Here are some of the benefits of textile waste recycling. Number 1, it decreases the need for landfill space. Number 2, results in 20% water and energy savings and less pollution. Number 3, reduces environmental load and greenhouse gases emission. Number 4, efficiently use the resources. Number 5, less chemicals are used so it is better for the environment. Number 6, reduces the demand for dyes. Number 7, the business can inspire consumers to buy environment-friendly recycled products. The following licenses are required to establish a textile recycling business: factory license, GST certificate, consent NOC, company license, fire NOC, CGWA NOC, and so on. The complete process involved in textile recycling business includes processing and sorting fabric, clothes, or unwanted textiles. The end products obtained are ideal for reuse and reselling to generate income. Let's talk about the detailed process involved in this business. Number 1, lease or rent a space enough for clothing intake and sorting. Number 2, get the supply of textile waste and make sure it stays away from moisture. Number 3, proceed for sorting easily to distinguish the types of fabrics. Number 4, after sorting, divide it into different categories. Number 5, one category could be those textile waste that can be transformed into new clothing. Number 5, another category can be one that can be cut down to make industrial wiping rags. Number 6, also a new category can be of excellent quality garments that can be sold in the second-hand market. Number 7, for setting up the business, you must choose the right machinery like textile shredding and cutting. This is important to transform the leftover fabrics into usable textile for soundproofing or insulation. Number 8, further down the line, you can set up your unit to sort the textile waste, spin them into yarns and transform them into useful clothing. So, for all those still wondering to start the textile recycling business, here's a market overview that will help you out. According to a report, around 90% of the used textiles are recyclable. It is interesting to note that the global textile recycling market touched a value of $5 billion in 2020. This marks tremendous growth in this field. So, as we come to the end of the video, let me brief you about the role of Enterclimate in all this. With our vast network and 10 years of experience, we can arrange tie-ups for you with various TDFs for your textile recycling business. Our team of professionals keep in contact with the concerned government authorities to get your work done quickly. So here I sign off with this video. In case of any queries, feel free to reach us by contacting on the details being shown on your screens below. If you found the video interesting, don't forget to like and share it. Also to subscribe our channel before you leave. Thank you.